Hello, my name is Donna Landrum. Our group, Group 3, or So Long and Thanks for All the Fish, has chosen the e-commerce site Amazon.com, a monster of a site, for our midterm project. Jennifer Richardson will be discussing Amazon.com's history with us, and then I will cover the functionality of Amazon's site as well as providing a few screenshots for your viewing pleasure. Randall Duke has offered to explain use case diagrams pertaining to Amazon's site, and then Valoria Swanston will cover class diagrams for us. And then Camille Pettigrew has graciously offered to cover sequence diagrams for the group. When we're done today, I hope that you know a bit more about Amazon.com and how it works. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Richardson. For our midterm project, we have chosen Amazon.com. I will give a short overview of the company and then hand off to Donna Lundrum. Jeffrey Preston Bezos is the founder and CEO of Amazon.com. He was born in Albuquerque, New Mexico on July 12, 1964, to Jackie Geese. He was raised by his stepfather, Mike Bezos. Jeffrey Bezos is referred to as an online retailing pioneer. Amazon.com was founded as a bookseller selling over the internet. On July 6, 1995, Amazon.com officially opened for business. In 1995, Amazon.com sold its first book shipped from a garage in Seattle. In 2006, Amazon started selling more than books. Amazon.com expanded to sell other merchandise, including music and movies. Today, Amazon.com sells a wide range of products such as books, CDs, DVDs, beauty supplies, clothing, jewelry, and just about anything else you might be looking for. If you've been to Amazon.com before, you will have recommendations just for you. Customer tracking. These recommendations are based on past purchases and products you have viewed. Amazon.com lets anyone sell just about anything on their platform. Worldwide, Amazon has 4 software development centers. Amazon.com went from an internet bookseller to the world's largest retailer. Now, I will hand off to Donna Lundrum, who will be covering screenshots, dumps, and website functionality.
Thank you, Jennifer, for that interesting history lesson. Now, I would like to spend a few minutes discussing the functionality of Amazon's site. Amazon.com is an e-commerce site, meaning that they conduct business over an electronic network. In this case, the ultimate electronic network, the Internet. Most companies want to sell you something, of course. That's why they're in business. But Amazon.com takes e-commerce to an entirely different level. Let's look at a few slides. Amazon.com offers the e-commerce user a lot of options. You may purchase items from Amazon's site, sell your own items, rent items, access streaming video and music. They offer store and major credit cards and very granular account management, which allows you to do things such as manage your Kindle books and devices and even order tracking. Of course, the primary point of Amazon's site is for you to purchase items. They want to sell you something. And you can purchase just about anything from Amazon's site, even groceries. Amazon has a very usable search option, which allows you to search by keywords or to browse in different departments to see what is offered in those particular departments. When you find something that you would like, you would add it to your Amazon cart. And you can even pre-order items which haven't yet been released and have them delivered the day that they're released to the market. If you'd like to perhaps save this to purchase later, you can add it to your wish list and come back and purchase it later. You do have to have an account to purchase from Amazon site, but you can create this account the first time that you visit their site and then use that account to come back and purchase later or to manage your account. Once you add something to your cart, you go through the process of checking out. You can review your order, choose your shipping address, your payment method, your shipping method, how fast you'd like it, and then place your order. Once you place an order with Amazon, you are taken to a confirmation page, which gives you your confirmation number, where the item will be shipped, what it is, and your estimated delivery date. You'll also receive an email with this information as well. Once you've placed an order with Amazon, they give you many ways to manage that order. You can log back into your account and track your package, contact the seller with a question, file claims, write product reviews, or perhaps you want to purchase the same item again. Just click buy it again and check out to purchase the item again. But as well as purchasing items, Amazon also allows you to sell items on their site. And you can sell almost anything for that little bit of extra Christmas cash. You can sell as an individual or as a professional. Amazon also offers rental options. You can rent textbooks or Kindle books for entertainment. You can rent and stream video. You can rent CDs and even vinyl, and Amazon offers free shipping to return your rented items. Amazon also offers a service called Amazon Prime. You pay a yearly fee for special benefits such as free 2-day shipping, access to thousands of instant streaming video and music, early access to special deals, access to the Kindle Owners Lending Library, and students get half price off their yearly Amazon Prime. You just have to provide a copy of your schedule each year. And everyone wants credit. Amazon offers store credit cards for purchasing just on their site, or even major credit cards through the Amazon Rewards Visa card. And Amazon has very granular account management. You can do pretty much anything with your account on their site, such as view open orders, view Kindle orders, manage your rentals, gift cards, payment options, one-click settings. There's just a lot that can be done with your account via Amazon site. A few other things, such as manage wish lists and gift organizers, are things which I really enjoy on this site. And they have quite a few customer care options if you have a problem with their site. I've never had a problem on their site that they have not resolved for me. And Amazon is global. They have sites and pages pretty much all over the world. So if you're in another country, you also have access to Amazon in your language. Thank you. And now I would like to introduce Randall Duke, who will be covering use case diagrams for us.
Thanks, Donna. Hello, my name is Randy, and as Donna may have mentioned, I am going to explain the process model by using this use case diagram I have displayed on the PowerPoint slide. Basically what this use case is going to do is explain how a customer interacts with our system, and within the box is the Amazon system. Within it are different processes that a customer may or may not choose to use while on the website. Now this is just a semi-basic version. There's a lot more processes that are involved, may not be as major, and there's also a process for suppliers depending on if Amazon is going to supply the products or the vendor themselves wants to just supply the products but via our website. So I'm going to explain a couple of these and then we'll move on, and we're not going to go through all of them. We'll just pick out a few of them. So this is your customer, and like I said, these are all the different processes that a customer can do on the website. Let's look at this first one, the search product. You go to the main website, which is right here, Amazon.com. This is the home page, and you have your search bar. So the customer, if they know what they're looking for, can type in something, just say Xbox One. And as they do that, we'll give more relevant items to maybe something specific they were looking for. They can just click on it instead of typing the whole thing or what have you. and eventually it will take you to a list of products. When it goes from here, you'll go to the view products, and then from there you can read details, specifications, whatever you may want to. Here's a list of them right here. We put in Xbox One, we click go, it searched, it found everything related to Xbox One. They could even narrow it down even more if they wanted to by these drop down menus over here, filter things out, and so on. Another thing they can do after, either while they're reviewing the product or even after they bought the product, is read and write reviews and rank Amazon or the product itself. Here's a screenshot of one. It's actually at the bottom of one of those Xbox products. The customer could leave a whole some paragraphs of reviews if they want to, and then rank 1 through 5 stars, and then all those right at the beginning of the review page. The customer can see how good or how bad it may or may not be and what people are saying about it. Next, we'll go through, there's a list of other things a customer can do. For one, you can sign in. You can create an account. You're going to have to make an account anyway to order from the website, so Amazon can have information on hand and where it needs to go, how they're going to pay for it, stuff like that. Also, there's other things. You view your orders, look at your account, save things for later. Sign up for a Prime membership to get discounts on shipping. There's many other things that we offer that help customers and keep customers coming back. So I hope these couple of items that I went over with you help entice you to use our website to sell your products, and I'm going to hand you off to Miss Valoria, who is going to explain our data model. Thank you.
Hi, thank you Randall for that awesome explanation and use case diagrams. My name is Valoria Swanston, and like he said, I will be explaining data model class diagrams for the Amazon company. A class diagram is a form of structural model. A structural model represents the responsibility of each class and the collaboration amongst classes. Elements of a structural model is classes, attributes, operations, and relationships. Right here we're looking at a sample structural model, and the elements are right here: classes, attributes, operations, and relationships. This purple section indicates the class, the whole class consisting of 3 sections: the class name, the attributes, the middle section, and the operations, the 3rd section. Right here, the gray section, it's indicating relationships. The relationship between a professor and a seminar is 0.1. The note says, some seminars may not have an instructor, meaning once a seminar can be taught by a computer bot, or a seminar can be taught by a professor/instructor. However, no seminar would exceed more than 1 instructor. In this section, I will be showing you their customer side data model of the Amazon company. In order to have a profile on Amazon, you have to have a login. So creating a login, you will need the user ID and password. And after that, you can create a profile and browse as freely as you want on Amazon online company. Generalization. Generalization relationships enable the analyst to create classes that inherit attributes and operations of other classes. Next, I will show you the possible relationship from the customer side of the data model linking to the employee side of the data model. Right here is the order detail for the customer, the shipping information for the customer, and the employee. Now the customer has ordered their product and it's supposed to be shipping. In the event that they need to file a claim because the communication between the shipper wasn't very positive, or the item came damaged, or the item did not come at all, they can file a claim. The claim would be accessed by the employee. Now the employee will be able to see a customer's profile, everything that the customer did and ordered and went through, and the vendor's profile, what they're hosting, if they receive payment, etc. And then they'll have access to the original claim, which we're staying generalization. It states here the employee will now have a relationship with the shipping class because any further action the user will want to pursue will go through the Amazon employee. Now right here we have a full structural model of the Amazon online company. For the customer part, we have on top the login, the customer, the cart, the checkout, the order detail, the shipping, and the employee class. Now right here we have number 1 for the relationship, because we only have one customer per login, one customer per profile, one customer, one relationship. For the cart we have 0.1. Why? Because we could have 0 cart or we could have 1 cart. If I don't have anything in my cart, that's 0. If I have 1 to a million items in my cart, it's still 1 cart. Checkout, I also have 1, because if I have 4 things in my cart and I check out 3, it's still 1 checkout and 1 cart. Over here I have the order detail. I have 0 point asterisk. Why? 0 point asterisk means 0 to multiple. Now for order detail, I can have no orders at all, meaning the 0, or I could have like 5 order details. I can have ordered a product today, ordered 2 products yesterday, ordered 1 last month and the week before, so that's 5 order details. And my shipping, it will coincide with my order details, so I have 0 point multiple items. Unlike the customer, we have 1 relationship, which is the employee. We have 1 employee. 1 employee, once a file is open or a claim is open, that 1 employee is focused on that 1 claim and not multiple employees for that same claim. Anyway, thank you for watching this part. We're going to close off with Camille Pettigrew. She is going to be telling us about the sequence diagram of the Amazon online company. Thank you and enjoy.
Hi, my name is Camille Pettigrew. You just heard from my teammate Valoria Swanston regarding class diagrams. Now you'll hear from me regarding sequence diagrams. Our group project is on the Amazon online shopping cart. And regarding my portion of the project on sequence diagrams, I plan to discuss with you the object behavior model's 5th rule, interaction diagrams, sequence diagrams, use case. I'll show you a sequence diagram of the Amazon online shopping cart, and I'll also go over with you use case scenarios regarding the Amazon online shopping cart. The object behavior model's 5th rule is that the sequence number included as part of a message label in a communications diagram implies the sequential order in which the message will be sent. Also, it must correspond to the top-down ordering of the messages being sent on the sequence diagram. Interaction diagrams. A series of diagrams describing the dynamic behavior of an object-oriented system. They are used to describe how objects collaborate to support use cases. They allow the analyst to model the distribution of behavior of the system over the actors and objects in the system. And there are 2 types of interaction diagrams. They are sequence and communication. Sequence diagrams. Sequence diagrams focus on the time ordering or sequence of the messages being sent between the objects. They illustrate how objects interact with each other. They emphasize time ordering sequence of messages, and they model simple sequential flow and iteration. Use case. A use case is a written description of how users will perform tasks on your website. It outlines from a user's point of view the behavior of a system as it responds to a request. Each use case is represented as a sequence of simple steps beginning with a user's goal and ending when that goal has been fulfilled. And use case makes it easy to see how actors and objects collaborate to provide functionality. This is an example of the Amazon online shopping cart. You have the registered owner here, the registered Amazon customer here, and then you have the new Amazon customer down here. Once registered, he or she becomes a customer. They become customers in order to online shop.
Once they're able to online shop on the Amazon website, they're able to view items, make purchase, and check out. Of course, they have to undergo the authentication process. We have the identity provider to verify identity. You have the credit card payment service and PayPal. Those are the two methods of payment when checking out. And throughout the entire process, of course, you have the online Amazon client register in place regarding everything. This is a sequence diagram on the Amazon online shopping cart. It is detailed in very good description regarding how everything works on the Amazon online shopping website. Now here we will continue on regarding the sequence diagram portion of the Amazon online shopping cart. Here I'll just give you information regarding the actor of this sequence diagram, and the main primary actor is the web customer using Amazon to make an online purchase. Here we're going to continue on so that I can give you some information regarding the use case scenarios of the Amazon online shopping cart, and the use cases are view items, make purchase, and client register. View items use case could be used by a customer as top level if the customer wants to look for a product or just browse products. Make purchase use case can also be used as a top level use case. Client register use case allows the customer to register on the Amazon website for private sales or promotions. And checkout use case is an included use case which is not available by itself, so it is standalone. It is a part of the make purchase use case, and I'm sorry, it is not a standalone use case because it has to be used hand in hand with the make purchase use case. So there again, the use cases for the Amazon online shopping cart would be view items, make purchase, client register, and checkout. This concludes my portion of the group presentation of the Amazon online shopping cart. Again, I did discuss with you all the sequence diagram portion of our project. This does conclude our entire group project. Before myself, you heard from my wonderful group members. You've heard from Jennifer Richardson. You've heard from Randall Duke. You've heard from Ms. Donna Landrum, and you've heard from Valoria Swanston, and now for myself, Camille Pettigrew. I hope that our presentation has been very informative. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and I hope that you also have a wonderful day. Thank you.